Welcome to Bamfordrose and another forum chat. This week it's about the early V8 and DB9 special editions. So that's going to be an M400 or a DB9 Le Mans. And are they worth it? Are they worth the extra premium? Are they worth anything over the standard models? So when these models were first released back in the day, when N400 first came out and DB9 Le Mans first came out, approximately 2008, these cars were super special over the standard car. And they were well sought after, and they almost were in a world of their own in terms of ownership groups, almost like AMR cars are going to be today. The V8 sold for approximately £11,000 additional premium over the standard 4.3 V8 at the time, and there were 240 special editions made. The DB9 Le Mans, there were supposed to be 124 special editions made. And if you find one of these cars today and look at the sill plaque, it will say number X of 124. However, it's rumoured only something like 60 or so of them were actually made. At the time, the DB9 Le Mans came out when there was a model crossover to the 470 bhp glass key start car. So it would have been a bit of a swan song for the DB9, and sale price was rumoured to be a premium of about 20k additional over a standard DB9, but I'm not sure if they did any special offers, meaning that that car was purchased a bit cheaper. So we'll start with the V8 and have a quick look at how the market is receiving the N400 Special Edition now, some 12 years later. A basic 4.3 from 2005 can be purchased privately starting from low 20s. If it's from a trader, then they often go for high 20s. 4.3 Roadster is going to start at about 30. Your entry-level 4.7 is going to start at about 35. And your Vantage S 7-speed paddle shift is going to start at low 50s. So N400 has to slot into that lineup somewhere. And today, many years later, it's a very difficult sell to try and get more than the entry-level 4.7 for your N400. Meaning that ultimately N400 prices are capped by that 4.7 entry-level car. So previously, where N400 sold for an 11k premium, now a quick scan of the classifieds and you can see that it is battling for a sale with any other 4.3, which is quite upsetting because remembering how special M400 was when it came out, it should really carry a premium over a standard 4.3. But because there are so many 4.3s on the marketplace, and now you've got 4.7s depreciating and having quite a low entry-level price point, then the N400 doesn't appear to be carrying too much of a premium. But it is worth paying a little bit extra for an M400. You've got 20 extra bhp engine performance, sports pack wheels, some nice colour options and bespoke interior stitching with the Nürburgring circuit on the centre armrest. So although it's not got enough kudos to command much higher premiums than the standard 4.3, then it definitely has some features which are worth paying for. The DB9 Le Mans is a completely different situation though. Just try and find one for sale. It's very, very rare, and they do command a premium today if you can find one for sale. The ones I've seen have typically gone at bottoms or other auctions. There's no manual edition available, they were all automatics. The special Sarth silver paintwork in the flesh in the sunlight is absolutely beautiful. There's contrasting red interior, the ski slope, door cappings, and there's some red stitching, and the Le Mans circuit outline is again on the centre armrest. Probably just because there were so few made compared to M400 that early DB9 Le Mans Special Edition commands a premium and is sought after today. The N400 commemorates the factory's first entry at the Nürburgring, where they did very well. The Le Mans obviously celebrates Aston's heritage and history at that circuit, meaning that with that piece of history and the additional spec that those two cars have over base models, then they're certainly worth seeking out. The The DB9 Le Mans is a collector's car, and it's going to be a battle at an auction, no doubt, to buy that car. Where the M400, because there are so many, and because the entry-level 4.7 V8 Vantage keeps a lid on their price, don't appear to be trading at too much of a premium over a standard car. So yes, whilst they are worth seeking out, just be careful that you don't pay over the odds for one. And just reassure yourself that in the case of the V8, instead of going for the M400 Special, do you think a 4.7 V8 Vantage has got more to offer? And likewise with the DB9, has the 470 bhp facelift interior DB9 got more to offer in terms of tangible spec than the Special Edition Le Mans? But these prices are guided by the market, and the market is guided by you. So what do you think about the N400 and DB9 Le Mans? Are they worth seeking out? As ever, always helps us if you can like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.